Okay, FM 101.7.
Lawyer Godwin Edidi Tamaklu, council, Edima Yura Kwakubuahin. Na lawyer Edidi Tamaklu, aid Edima, former president Mahama. Ejame watching.
Bakwami anopa emecha echa wetie fo nyina.
Tie fo nyina je oso no ba ne kwara no ho ye de.
Twede amponyankopon na adom.
Ami. Enura ye ne udi nkomo ebra na mo court. Mo court ba ye de ehun Democrat and say strike out assault case. Require Ofosu Ampofo de no de ababetoa. Na mo kwa de ni kusi ye pa.
Yo, Bakwami. Before crime course no, enura me say later in the day no, oni me nyonko bari ni mako edi enkomo.
Aye.
Intina metie no na me I feel say response na no man na enya dia otie me because me who say na o making some claims be completely different from the Membeka or line also, but what I will not begrudge him, like we say, freedom of speech. Once you are on the right to speak, no, it's in order. But now the claims be now or make it, for instance, so ya ban ya so case now you where you way blah blah blah. I've always been consistent. Say, oh yeah, criminal defense. Now we just say, oh clients, why Bonia, you will not even go to court. And our clients say, on you're guilty. And they will do what I say, based on the law, any legal advice, no, which means to say, Oko court, pleading guilty.
Hey, but whoever comes to court, no, is merely a witness for the Republic to establish their case.
That be. One will say, or draw, or you're too mistake. There is a difference between a complainant and a witness. Short as here. And then they say, complainant, no. So, for instance, me my backcourt say, my employee, or then the manager of my bank, but no say. So, me as the managing director of the bank, no, I am the complainant. It is possible, say, Chronona obo nyina no na minim later na auditor be in terms of the audit in our expose say acquire bomekrono. In that case no me be complainant as the managing director, but when it comes to the trial itself, who here will be obetimi speaking to how the stealing and everything happened then you need a witness. And that witness will not necessarily be the one who made a complaint. Such as it. Into hono, ubetimi akofa auditor na oye audit no. The auditor na you nipa na okoye criminal complaint against o staff no. That be auditor na ne say oba be witness say I testify to the onuwe. That's why we call them witness. So there's a clear difference between the witness. So in this case, Ebia Attorney General, so the only witness I'm over case where the police investigator into Onunkwana and person Mekasa. Or the other witness I'm over Ebia Mekofa linguistic professor be like I told you in the Tagore matter, Omukofa, Professor Kofi Ajikum, Professor French, Efi Amanoni, or voice experts, or be analyze the content of the audio to establish, first of all, class a voice near Tagore Kradia and I say Yenidia. That's how it works.
Eji, Tagore Mudiano, Opania Jakumo, and a translation. No,
Onuna. Oh yeah, say na akankasa na omoka ewoso. So you need somebody oka kankasa to come and testify. So say bia kasa na omoka or audio no. What translating a ba akankasama? What does it mean? Who move it from Akan to English? What does it mean? Because one will say court now at the end of the day will require English translation. So as I say, Mokofa, Professor Binso, if you are a friend of Professor French, to come and testify. Or a voice expert. Or no be analyze the voice now when so acquire the voice in ye. So as I say, that's what happens. Into Ononoba, he is coming as a witness. At the time when the conversation was remade, Onunu Niho. So play a different role, more or less like an expert witness. So as I say, investigator or Bebao, at the end of the day, won't mean because be a time ABC the meeting no cost no hobby. Or no one say I was the one who conducted the investigation in respect of this. Only a witness. So these are the very key things now. Okay. The person of complainant, and the witness, they are two different things, and you should not confuse that issue at all.
One my ingredients, complainant and a witness. Complainant is with me a witness, Anna.
Absolutely. For instance, Sebi, may complain say I have been robbed. I'm the complainant. I am the one who witnessed the robbery as well. So in terms of even identifying the robber, I am the person in best position to speak to that. Me, my threaten, I will kill you, Tikesi. No, I call Tesano police station, no, I call Chomuso, so on this day, lawyer Duji, or no make a say, or Kaso be Kumi, blah, blah, blah. On that day, on the police docket, it will record you as the complainant. Almost starting prosecution, the police can also call you because when I would say I will kill you, directly, to come and also testify. So you play the dual role. What I say? So it should not be, the impression should not be created, say, we are talking about witnesses. As for the state can get anybody to come and testify against you in court. That's for the state to do. But you need to know who brought the complaint against me. That's what the point that we're making. You should not confuse the two issues at all. I don't usually like to challenge when he puts up matters involving law, because as lawyers, even two lawyers are almost in the same classroom. When they come, they will have different interpretation of how the law operates.
Obani eye besa baso edafoforo na ye issue bi se me fa ne se obi atu obi botom obi tu obi botom no na nipa kro no gigirigirigiri wono kro ade wagye ne ho an wokoye but wo mo gina ho no ehunu ade no wo mo giye na ye de aba police station no one etia o man mra se ubewia obi ade enti won ye gina ho no. But you say, even with your scenario, you will be in a court, logic, criminal complaint against me. Mm-hmm. In this case, can say, look, I have retrieved these stolen items, blah, 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 blah. So I'm lodging this criminal complaint because I have reason to suspect, say, A, B, C, D in the USAD. You are still the complainant. Say police. A difference, police enam who say the offense is being committed right there and there. No, it's one more. That's different. When police for letter cry inviting the chair, the first time Nikokuba and say, Omunya audio from social media. What I say. So that's a bit different from the looking at that at this point. Now, almost to me, sir. Emphatic action be a more for say I.
Oh, you understand? Then it feeds into a broader suspicion. Say there is an invisible hand telling you to do it.
How?
Like in this particular case.
Any precedence be a say ebia posifoɔ nye biribi like an audio tape or biribi saa from their social media or wherever. Now what would be
I gave you a classic example. There is always an inherent risk. Oshe Sebe Tago Matanoba say ya a audio recording about Bonting. Then based on that, a senior police officer, based on the audio, started investigating the matter. In the course of the investigation, he focused the investigation on A, B, C, D, including Kwabna Meni and others. So what I say, eventually they said first, so with this audio, it's enough for them to go to court. Almost they assembly court. At the end of the day, we all know how it ended. Brakwame. And it does not mean, in that case, the state did not come. And I made sure, Professor Kofia Jekumoye ni patwa, where you're being for, your cashier, the professor too be the one. It means what tron your ma wa school so. So what I say, no a back court will be like a witness, and so what. A buying kwa brochery, English a brochery, mam, ecofa prosa French, voice experts, at the net buyer to testify against Kwabna Meni. Sanyo man in our also. You are backwards them or my. That's the point I'm trying to make.
Oh, okay.
So what I say.
Martin.
Into Oko, now Oko fish for wow evidence now bar. You crash land.
I see. And yeah, lawyer Yamraswe, and no more court, a dear see.
Yeah, Black Kwame, so I wouldn't miss and idea judge no journey issue no to 27. Into court as early as we can. Into case near prayer and they announce it. Into they are filing motion for discovery near the diary of action. And when say police first start investigation, or more crata be it is a diary. So investigator no and ne or ne kwejo kasa or betra to her. So call Mimi Chrome as part of the investigation to retrieve information or bar or the bar beto when I'm here into a friend a diary of action. A very comprehensive report about all the steps that have been taken as far as the case is concerned. Into make a application to the court for it. Engineer June say and run a bit me a movie emotion. And upon na attorney general so by so we file affidavit in opposition. And upon that's just and run upper. Understandably because my associates so omunya emotion just on Friday evening. And so it was too late in the day say on me file anything. Understandable. Into my lord they call back and forth so when yes you take another day and yes a bar near Timia Beden. I argue the motion. Then we'll see what the ruling are, my lord Ebema. Then two lawyers for Chairman Ofosu Ampofo so Oma file a motion, say almost strike out the some of the counts on grounds are almost stating. So as I say. And
some of the counts, no. Some of the counts, no. It be a dear no.
May judge those details, but it borders largely on the conspiracy bit. Because once the second accused, Akasu na oniho, on that they know name crime, blah blah blah. No, we believe that the court should not go through the torture. If prima facie on the face of it, it shows that Onipan no niha, then let's focus on what at least flows from the charge. So anone idea or non lawyers idea to court name and the due date, the return date near 7th of June, Friday. Incheko is an law so look Obama Attorney General the opportunity to respond to the motion because someone's almost asked for time to respond to the motion to strike out. Into back and forth, no law. So at the end, it is justice that we want. So we'll all adjourn the matter to the 7th. On the 7th, no, you will hear both parties on the 2 motions that are pending. Ntendo ade ko bai an no program.
Apari be da se no pe.
That's in so program.
Mesme da se onumnyamfo Godwin Edigi Tamaklo a to former President Rawlings. Counsel for Kwakubu Ahin ene chairman Ofosu Ampofo one team of lawyers a wo mutwaje wo no.
Okay FM 101.7